How to check iPhone battery is boosted or not. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on battery and then tap on battery health and charging. Here, go ahead and tap on the option you see there and look at the maximum capacity. 90 to 100% usually is normal for a newer battery, but if your iPhone is 2 to 3 years old and the 100% battery is still available there, then it could be that the battery has been boosted or replaced. And if it drops quickly after a few days, then it could simply be a boosted battery. You can then go ahead and check for unknown part. So on newer iOS versions, warn if the battery is not original. So open settings and then tap on general and then on about. Here, if you find the message about unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple battery, then it simply could be that the battery has been replaced. Also, go ahead and check for battery cycles, as battery cycles reveal the real battery condition. So in settings again, if your phone has these settings for battery cycle, then tap on battery and then check the cycle. You can check using apps or a computer if you do not have the feature on older iPhones. 0 to 100 cycles is very new and 200 to 500 cycles is used battery. And if the health shows 100% but the cycles are very high, then the battery might have been boosted. You can also observe the battery drain, as signs of boosted battery is battery percentage drops very fast, or phone shuts down suddenly, or battery health shows 100% but the performance is poor. These might indicate that the battery has been manipulated. Or you can simply use diagnostic tools such as 3U tools in order to check and get an accurate result for boosted battery. So this was about how you can check iPhone battery boosted or not. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.